Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. I am so excited to be bringing you guys another clean with me video. This is just going to be a simple Sunday night cleaning routine where I'm just going around our apartment, picking up things, putting them back where they belong, and just getting our place and home back in order for the rest of the week. So I'm starting off in our living room where I'm pretty much just picking up everything that's been tossed and laying around, as well as at the beginning I was picking up little bits from Charlie toys because he loves to tear his toys up. Moving on to our media stand, I'm just putting all these controllers and things from our gaming system back in order as well so that they're not all spewed across the floor. I also had to go in on this little table that we have standing in for a coffee table right now and get some little marks off of this that were there. And I have my favorite cleaning products linked down below that I used to get that off. So if you guys want to go and check it out, it will be linked down below for you guys. Moving on to our kitchen island, this is literally our catch-all place for everything throughout the week. We just come in and drop things here and they never get put away. So of course this is one of the biggest areas that we have to clean up, and most of it's mine, I would say, honestly. So just going through and putting everything back where they belong and giving it a quick clean. Just going in with my multi-surface cleaner and just giving everything a good wipe down so I know for sure that it's clean and there's nothing stuck onto our countertop. I also like to go ahead and light a candle just to have everything smelling really nice and just kind of setting the mood for the rest of the evening. Time for the rest of our kitchen. Of course, we again have things just kind of laying around and out, not in their proper place. So I'm just going through and putting everything back where it belongs, and then going in again with the multi-surface cleaner and giving every surface in the kitchen a good wipe down. Now that I am done with the kitchen, I'm moving on over to my little desk area. Again, things were just out of order here and needed to be put back in their spots so I could be ready and refreshed for the week to start. time for our bathroom. We had so many different things just laying out and about here on our countertop instead of in our little baskets. I try and keep mine and Clay's things organized by having his own basket on his side where he can keep all his little products he uses, and then I have mine as well, so they're not getting all mixed up and disorganized, lost, and we both have a spot for our own things. And finally, moving on to our last bit that we like to do on Sunday evenings is making sure that we fold and put away all of the now clean laundry, because obviously you don't want to start the week off without your clean clothes, and you want to make sure that everything's just put away so you're not having to dig from a basket when you're looking for those perfect pair of pants that you need to wear to a meeting on Tuesday, or maybe your favorite tank top that goes under a shirt, or whatever it be. We just make sure to always get our laundry done and put away. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, though. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking that little red subscribe button right down below. And don't forget, guys, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos, so if you want to go and check it out, I will have it linked at the top right hand of the screen, as well as at the end of my video and in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!